Hi, babies. Hey, babies. Hi, Howie. Hi, Molly. Over there would be Kobe. There is Trigby going in the tunnel. There's Anya. Okay, who am I missing? Oh, Barney, the noisy one. I'll have to catch them at surprise when they don't know I'm here to get a good action one. Anya in the back. Kobe. And Howie. Get Triggy. Noisy Barney. Molly. She's going to fly to Connecticut on Friday to her new home. More later.